You know you should.
Fresh air. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sleepy Six coming at you with another episode. Currently, what we're going to do today is, as you can see on my shoulder, this is a package that we're going to put on the sleeping vehicle. I'm currently about to go to the shop and we're gonna see how much it costs me to put it on, and I'm getting something, so I'm getting an estimate, and I'm also talk about other things I'm gonna do to the car. I got some more stuff to make it look nice and a little bit unexpected, so that's what we're gonna get into. I'm gonna go to the shop right now, so catch y'all next video. What's up, YouTube? This is one of them comment videos. Just wanna know what you think about what we're going to apply. I'm gonna show y'all. There's one little thing that's been bugging me right here. It's great. Now I know I could go to the shop and rub it out and get paint corrected, or we could do like lazy people, I want to say, like me, and you could just cover up. And also it'll be a new look, so see what it look like, and go ahead and just give me a like and a comment and see what you think about it. I don't know if I'm gonna like it myself, so this may be something that just I'll put on and then I'll take it off, so but I'm curious to know what it's gonna look like, so I'm going to put it on. Get all the way around there. I want the whole world in this case. So far, I did this. I got rid of that. As you see, this right here, it was red, but I don't like that no more. So, red orange looking. This look dull. May want to remove that, and I got the back one. So, yep. Almost done. Now for the other side. Now this is the side right here that's gonna make a really big difference, because all these marks right here. So it's gonna cover up that. So like I said, I want to know what this thing look like. I I was first against it, but you know, I want to try something different. See if I like it, and if I don't, you can just pull it off. So I mean, it's not nothing that's permanent. So put this on here and see if everything goes smoothly, and see how it looks. So far it's coming out alright. It's not looking like a full circle, but to my opinion, so like this right here is real bad. Yep. True story. I did this at a KFC restaurant. They had cones and stuff in the sidewalk, and it was all short and stuff. And my behind didn't know how to get through them cones right, so that's how I scratched this driver error. So yeah, we all had them driver error. So I don't expect nobody to be like, you know, they never had driver error. But yeah. So we gonna put that stuff on there. Well, guys, that's what it looks like. Yeah. Not too bad. Now the real question is whether or not it'll stay on. I'm going like 2,000 miles per hour. That's the real question. But you get this from Amazon. It was only like $60, I believe. So it's an universal. So it's called rim trim. So if you like it, I'll say go ahead and copy your color and put it on. It look cool. Like I said, I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it like this, cause I don't know. I like it right now. It might be one of the things I might like it for a moment, then next week I'm like, nah. But so alright guys, the car is dropped off, and we'll catch it in a little bit. Be over here. So it just got dropped off, so we'll catch you back in 3 days in the video. 50. I'm gonna show y'all what we got here, so y'all gonna really enjoy this. I mean, this car is very nice, and I love it. I've been getting compliments on it like every day now. It's been 3 days. By the time I record the video, it's like a day after, but a day or two after. So, yeah, I've been getting a lot of compliments. So, here you go.
For your information, ain't never done for rejection. I prove it myself. Careful this stuff. I view and judge. Taking advantage of what you aiming, cuz got supply to your blues. You tell lies, I'm telling truth. Look where I got you stuck in the dirt, but you play the right part. I see the fruit. When I came through, came after me. Don't make me show my wealth when I come through. When I come through. When I come through. When I come through. No connection cool. It has it to you. No relationship to. God dang. Ooh.
Boom, there you go. That's what it is. Ooh, that mug. She jumped straight out the enemy. Jumped straight out the enemy. Yeah. Hey now, car looks sexy now. It does. Got the badges here. You still got the stuff in there, you know. The pillows, and then you got this. We got my little Peter sticker. Got the yellow wheels on there, yellow trims. Still look good. Still look good. Still look good. That's still. So you got the full color detail character, and then you got her in the background too, like a memory type thing going on. So, and then you also have, when this lights up, you gotta say her name too when it lights up. Daytime now, that's dope. Yeah. I'm saying, you like your car, man, mod the heck out of it, man. You know, life is too short to be worried about, you know, what other people don't like for you to do to your vehicle that you make monthly payments on and stuff like that. So you gotta think about that. Like, hey man, I make payments on this car, I like it. Hey, if I'm gonna keep this on, do it. If you're not gonna keep it on, yeah, trade it in if you don't like it. Why would you assume that you don't like it? So, I like my car. You like the V6, do it. Well, keep it, you know, the gas mile's good. Still on it, even with this rip supercharged engine. So, go ahead. Keep it, I mean, like 475 to a crank. It's like that's good enough to get past around cars nowadays. So I mean, good passing. So it's your boy Soup 6. It's your boy Soup 6. I came at you with another video, man. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button, and go ahead and comment, man. I want to hear all your comments. So, like I said, I got more mods coming. There's some more performance stuff. I'm gonna add. We still got to get this thing tuned. Unfortunately, so I could get to the wheel numbers I want. It's not gonna be nothing too crazy, but just enough. I'm just trying to show y'all what y'all can do to y'all V6 challengers or chargers. GTs, XSTs, XT Plus, whatever you got, that got the 3.6 liter engine in it. So, what you want to do and what's gonna cost. I'll tell you how much all that costs eventually, and where you can go. What's the safe point you do? Because you know, once you get up to a certain amount of horsepower, two wheels, you're gonna have to start changing some things too. So. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you right now what it's gonna look like, be like. So, alright, so I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.